What's going on, trucking junkies? Say goodbye to International Crankshaft. We just dropped off there this morning. Yup. We're gonna head to North American Stainless, pick up a preloaded trailer. We're gonna stop at the Pilot down there first before we go. So let's go. Sometimes you just got to use the honey pot. Let's do some work. So we're here at North American Stainless, and it's nice out here. Really nice. Y'all want to see what I'm hauling? Stainless steel, man. Plate steel. Hot dang. That's going to Paragould, Arkansas for tomorrow. I gotta get all this off, gotta get all my stuff switched over. This ought to be fun. Gotta get the tarp off, gotta get all my stuff switched over. Yup. Looks like the landing gear is way too high, which figures. Oh. So anyway, let me get this done. Let me get this off of here and get it folded and stuff, and then I'll talk. Okay, so I'm hooking the trailer back up, or hooking the new trailer up, and hold on a minute. Let me find the right trailer. So my old trailer, I got to looking on my service line, and these are the things you got to check and make sure that you're right, because it could mess with your air and everything. My grommet for my service line came off of the service line of my old truck, or my old trailer. If I wouldn't have noticed that, two things would have happened. Number one, I probably wouldn't have got a good seal with my service line. Number two, the person that came and picked this trailer up may not have a grommet with them. Okay, so check it out. So I've already got the other side pinned down, and if you're having problems with your tarps, here's an easy way to do tarps on flat stuff. Bar, plate steel, anything flat where you don't need all of your tarp. Now, do you see how I've got this tarp still tucked in? I didn't unfurl it all the way. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my fingers and I'm going to find that next D-ring up there, just like that, and I'm going to pull down on it. See how this is rolling? Pull down on that D-ring. Okay, I'm not going to use that D-ring. I'm just going to pull down on it, and it rolls the tarp out to where it's down to my rubber. That gets me my middle. And then I'm going to start from the back. Start from the back. And work your way to the front. Now look, if you don't have enough here, just grab in there and pull just a little bit to where it rolls down. See how it rolls? If you get out too much, see it's too much. Just make a little lip, roll that in. Now, you see how nice and tight that looks? And I didn't have to do a whole lot of work. To let the tarp do the work. Need one more. Need another bungee. So yesterday I went by, I drove through Mayfield, Kentucky and its surrounding areas, and man, did that storm tear stuff up. And the way the tornado snaked in and out, or the road snaked in and out of the path of the tornado, man, it would be like you'd have like a quarter mile to a half mile of destruction, because that thing was wide, and then it would be nothing, and then you'd start seeing debris again, and then you'd see where the path came back over the road. It was bad. I know there were several people lost their lives in that storm, and I am so sorry. It all started on Friday night. I was in Fort Smith, And I called the wife and told her I wasn't going to have enough time to get home. And she's like, that's okay, because it's storming. So I looked at the weather, and yeah, it was. And then it hit us. The wife and had all the animals in the bathroom and stuff. I called my parents. They were all right. They were in the hallway. It was just bad stuff, man. But it happens that way. That's what happens with weather, you know. Well, there she is. She'll ride, that's for sure. And I'm dirty. We're gonna go find a Pilot or a Love's and get a wash job on me. Let's go.